G'day, I'm Simon from Tentworld, Ipswich. Today I'm going to talk to you about the new Dusk Series tents from OZtrail. This is a new series of tents. Essentially in the design we've got what they call Twilight Technology, which means that you can black the whole tent out, which is great to get your kids sleeping a bit longer in the mornings when you're out camping. So this model here is the larger of the model. It's the 450. Sleeps up to 10 people, 2 large rooms, really good quality tent. So we'll do a little bit of a walkthrough and we'll show you the inside of it. Okay, so as you can see, massive tent, huge awning on, it's about 2 meters long. Length of the tent is 450 centimeters. As we step into the tent, you can see 2 large rooms, big divider in there that you can close up or leave open depending how you like your setup done. Plenty of accessories in there for hanging lights, things like that. The biggest feature is that when I turn this light off, it is just pitch black. So we have some good lighting systems available for it, so you can light it up so you can see inside it. But you imagine having your kids sleeping in this in the morning, they're not going to wake up at sparrows and, you know, have you annoying you at silly hours in the morning.
So the great thing about the new 450 in the Dusk range is this really great awning. Okay, so you're looking at approximately 4.5 meters by about 1.8, and it's so tall I can't even touch the ridge pole there. So you can cook under here quite comfortably. It's going to be very comfortable to sit under here because the roof is a long way from you, and it also incorporates their new Twilight Technology, which we'll go into more inside the tent. So the first thing you'll notice, it is quite dark in here. Okay, so obviously you can make it a lot lighter by opening up the outside windows, and we'll do that at the end so that you can get a bit of an idea of how light it can be in here. So privacy screens. What that does mean is if you just want to come in, get changed in your swimmers, or at night time, maybe you've got the windows rolled up and it's just a very light shower, you can just put up the privacy screens. You won't have to race around and put all the windows down just to stop a very small shower, or just because you want to get changed. Alright? You've got mesh up in the roof, so you will get a lot of ventilation here. Nice big spot there to hang your lanterns, and there is Velcro and things throughout the tent that allow you to put in bars or strips and those sorts of things. So you do have a centre divider, so you can divide the tent. So if you come back in through here, so you can see it is a dark space. So you can have a bit of a sleep in the morning, again if the birds don't wake you up first. So we'll open up this other door so you can get a bit of light in. So nice big space, 2 big rooms. So 4.5 by 3 meters. So you're looking at approximately each room being 2.2 by 3 meters. So it's plenty of room to pop in stretchers or a double high queen air bed, still have a place to pop a bag, stand up and get changed, and have easily enough space for 2-3 kids or 2-3 additional mattresses in the other room. I'll show you the variety of pockets that you do have through the tent. So there is quite a few through here. So you can extend the bag to make sure that the tent will go back in there. So it's pretty much just a case of turning this zip on the bottom here. That just extends the overall bag.
Okay, so there it is, the Dusk 450 cabin by OZtrail, exclusive to Tentworld, so come on down and check it out.